Hello everyone, this is Nirmali Saikia and welcome back to Effective Teaching. In today's video, we are going to discuss something from grammar that is determiner. So, talking about determiners, determiners are something that you have came across in your school days as well, and it is essential for our day-to-day conversation, and also it is like practical for our 12 till 12. So that is why you have to have a clear conception about how to use determiners in right places. So let's get into the video to have some tricks and tips so that you can learn or use properly in your day-to-day conversation. So I want to start with the types of determiners. To discuss about the types, I have already written some sentences here so that the types of determiners comes out clearly in front of you. So we have two division here, column A and column B. So in the column B, I have written some sentences that give me an apple, give me a book, a girl is asking for you. In the column A, we are using N, A. So in the column B, give me the small apple, give me the book that is on the top, the girl is asking for you. So in the column B, we are using the. So you can see here the sentences are general and here the sentences are specific. When a person is asking for you an apple or asking for you a book, then you will give him any book that is available in front of you, that is available in the room. But when the person is making a specific statement that give me the small apple, give me the red book, give me the book on the top, in that case the person is making specific statement. That is why you will give him the specific thing that he wanted or that he is asking for. In the third sentence, a girl is asking for you. So that can be any girl. So outside there are many girls waiting for a person, and the person was informed that a girl is asking for you. So in this case, the person don't know the girl who is asking for him. But in this case, the girl wearing red top is asking for you. Now the person went outside. Then he saw there are numerous girls wearing red, blue, white, every colors. So he will not pay attention to any other girls but to the girl wearing red top, because it is specifically said that the girl wearing red top is asking for you. So in the column, you can see in the column A, our sentences are more general, and in the column B, our sentences are specific. So from these examples, we came to know that there are two types of determiners, definite and indefinite. So we have two types of determiners, definite and indefinite. So from our earlier example, we got da as a definite determiner and an as an indefinite determiners. So if we go further, there are many these are articles, right? A and the are articles. If we go further, there are many determiners like some, any, much, many, every, each. There are much more, like a few little. So then we have to categorize them according to their types. So we have not many determiners which is definite. More of our determiners are indefinite. So we have some, few, any, much, many, and these are our indefinite determiners. Because if we say some, many, then also we are not making anything specific. So as I have already told you, my target audience are mostly the students of 11th and 12th. So that is why I am not going into detail of the use of a and the. So I have already assumed that you already know the use of a and the properly. So we use a before consonant sound. We use n before vowel, and vowel sounds like an orange. Vowel sounds like RCC, where like we are making while pronouncing R, we are we are taking the help of a vowel. So RCC building, NCC credit, so these things you know already. And also where the H is silent, like our, honest, so in these things we use N. So the things when we point out something or we have to make specific statement, then we use the. Then before a proper noun. So these things I have assumed that you already know. So let's go into the other determiners. So I want to start with the few and little. So few and little, in meaning wise they are same. Few little means nothing. A few, a little means a small portion. The few, the little means all that you have. That you have or had. So few or little we use in a sense that I am very busy, so that is why I have few time to waste. Like busy person doesn't have time to waste, right? So in that case we will use few. And little when we have to tell about a small portions, like give me a few money, give me a little water. So then the few, the little, like things that is available, like in a cup there is some milk, so we need the whole milk. So in that case we will use the little. Give me the little milk that is in the cup. So you can see that meaning wise they are same. Few and little meaning wise same. Then what is the difference between them? So the difference is few is used in countable noun, and little is used in uncountable noun. Like in water, hair, if there are abstract noun like help, happy. So in these things we will use little. And like things that we can count, like books, bags, in that case we will use few. So I have already written some exercises here. So in the first exercise it is written that give me these books. Now books is a countable noun. Here we are going to use a few. Give me a few books. In the next sentence, I have this time to talk to you as I am very busy now. So the person is very busy. That is why he doesn't and have any time to talk to the other person. As he has no time, that is why we are going to use little. In the third sentence, it is written give me dash water that is in the cup. Now the person is asking the other person all the water that is in the cup. That is why we are going to use the little. Give me the little water that is in the cup. So this you can see the differences. So difference between few and little is that few is used before countable noun and little is used before uncountable noun. Otherwise meaning wise they are same, and they both are indefinite determiners. So that is it for today, as the video is already long. So I hope you are taking something from this video, and I will try to comprise the time I am taking in making the video. So I will try to in my next video I will try to cover as many determiners as I can. So till that, and please stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.